Hi mga kapwa ko employees, mga sirs and ma'ams, good day to all of you. In today's video, pag-uusapan natin ang mga sahod nila. Utility, messenger, driver, teacher, IT officer, attorney, division chief, director, vice president, president, and many others. Okay? Yung basic salaries nila, alamin natin based on SSL 2022. Meron tayong table ng mga basic salaries. Okay? So, are you ready to watch the full video? If yes, so let's get started. God bless to you, my friend. Mga friends, ang table natin ng salary ng government employees and officers from SG1 up to 33 ay hindi po personal opinion. Kung hindi po galing sa research na ginawa ko para makaprovide tayo ng visual presentation sa monthly basic salaries ng mga empleyado. Effective January 1, 2022, and this was approved by President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, SSL 2022 or Salary Standardization Law 2022. So ito na po yung first presentation natin or first slide. Salary grade 1 to salary grade 13. Ito na po. As you can see, SG1, utility worker, mayroon siyang basic salary na 12,517. SG2, messenger, meron siyang basic salary 13,305. SG3, clerk 1, 14,125. SG4, driver 1, 2, 14,993. SG5, carpenter 2, 15,909. SG6, laboratory technician 1, 16,877. SG7, computer operator 1, 17,899. SG8, assistant engineer 18,998. SG9, electrician, foreman, 20,340. SG10, legal assistant, 1, 22,190. SG11, teacher 1, 25,439. SG12, teacher 2, 27,608. And SG13, teacher 3, 29,798. Opo, yan po ang basic monthly salary ng SG1 to 13. Hindi pa po kasali ang monthly allowances dyan. Basic salaries only. Okay? Moving forward to our next slide. SG14 to SG26. Ito na po. SG14, cashier 2, 32,321. SG15, budget officer 2, 35,097. SG16, attorney 1, 38,150. SG17, executive assistant, 41,508. SG18, economist, 45,203. SG19, IT officer, 49,835. SG20, board secretary, 55,799. Attorney, SG21, 62,449. SG22, assistant division chief, 69,963. SG23, court attorney 2, 78,455. SG24, division chief, 88,410. SG25, Director 1, 10798. And SG26, Director 2, 113,891. So yan po ang SG14 to SG26. So lalong lumalaki ang sweldo natin pag nag-increase din ang salary grades natin. Right? So moving forward to our next slide. SG27 to SG33. Ito na po. SG27, Director 3, 128,696. SG28, Bureau Director, 145,427. SG29, Assistant Secretary, 164,332. SG30, Undersecretary, 185,695. SG31, Secretary, 273,278. SG32, Vice President, 325,807. And SG33, President, 411,382. Now we know ang sweldo po ng SG1 up to SG33. So, hope you like and learn from our video today. So, kung may question kayo, please write in our comment section. I will make time to answer that. Any question. Or kung may recommendation kayo or suggestion sa next video natin. Thank you for watching and subscribing. God bless to you and 2 thumbs up.